So worth it. So worth it to just make your own drink at home instead of going to Starbucks and spending $5 on trash. Anywho, didn't mean to go into a tangent about that. Grand rising to all of my kings and queens doing tremendous things. I am Altitude, representing Building Neural Minds, the hip hop workshop, and I'm renovating minds one rhyme at a time. And today, I'm gonna talk about my hiatus and what I've been doing since the year has started, what I've been up to, just changes in my life. It feels so good to be back on camera. It feels so good to be saying my slogan again. Thank y'all to everyone who is tuning into this video. It's a small channel, but we're trying to grow it with a community that I'm gonna be getting started here soon. So, you know, just a lot of things in the works. But today I wanna talk about what I've been up to on my hiatus, and I'm gonna give y'all a studio tour. So without any further ado, this is episode 10 of Soundcheck, my hiatus. Let's get it. One. Gotta love chai tea. Homemade chai tea at that. Anywho, thank y'all for tuning in to the channel. Thank y'all for being back. It feels good to be back on camera. Like I said previously, I will be talking about my hiatus. Since the year has started, I've been doing a lot of reflecting, a lot of growing, a lot of dealing with particular issues that I've had going on, like just mainly mentally, spiritually, emotionally, trying to get myself right. And for me, like, I want to be authentic as possible on this channel with you guys, and because this is like self-therapy for me, but it's also like a revelation and a revealing factor, like a vulnerability factor for me as well. So with this camaraderie that we have with each other, like, I want this to be a close, tight-knit community of, you know, the few followers that we have, and then we grow it from there, and, you know, it just be that, you know, going forward. So what I've been doing since the year has started is just basically focusing on writing, focusing on engineering, producing, filmmaking, photography, trying to get this album done. I've been really pushing trying to get this album done because I want it out. I want it out this year to the masses. Like, I want this joint done so that I can go on to the next project. So for me, it's all about getting things done in a timely manner, and I had to take a step back from doing the vlogs and, you know, the sound checks and everything like that, and producing content so that I can get that side of the content creating done. And that's why I took a little break from producing videos. So I want to get back to it, want to do it on a more consistent basis. So, you know, definitely want to keep up my one video a week regimen. And for me, it's all about keeping you guys engaged and not, you know, being hot and consistent 1 month or 2 months and then dropping cold for the next month. You know, so I didn't mean to do that, but I had to do that and take time out so that I could get certain things done. And let me tell you, this album is coming together. It's gonna be a self-titled album. My stage name, my rap name, Altitude, is gonna be self-titled. The album is gonna be self-titled Altitude. And it's literally gonna be a revelation of things that I feel, things that I'm going through. It's literally gonna be deep. This is gonna be my best body of work thus far, and I can't wait for you guys to hear it. And so that's why I had to take a little bit of time off to get that done. Now back to it. 2021 has been a crazy year with the inauguration, with, you know, people storming the Capitol, like, you know, a whole bunch of celebrity deaths to kick off the year. Like, it's just been crazy. And now with this whole vaccine thing going on, you know, and new strands and whatnot, like, it's a lot going on for everyone to digest. But for me, what I've been doing personally is detoxing, doing a lot of meditation, doing a lot of reading and a lot of studying in the Word, and just trying to filter out the mess, the white noise, the dogma, you know, trying to get rid of all the minute things that don't really matter in the grand scheme of things. In my personal life, in my bubble personally, not saying that they don't matter, but in my life personally, this is just what I've been doing to stem off that kind of negativity, or those different energies and auras that don't really need to be in my life cycle right now. So that's what I've been up to. Just working on my craft, coming up with better content, coming up with higher quality too, hopefully, as you can see. Got a new camera, got some sound gear that I'm honestly gonna return. Like, what you're listening to is a new mic that I got for this camera, but I'm gonna return it and get a better quality mic. So just bear with this video and maybe the next video, and then maybe 2 or 3 videos down the road I'll have even more clearer quality for you guys, because at first I was recording it on my iPhone and it was cool, but I wanted to step it up a little bit in that department. So I've just been working on different things on how to upgrade the music and upgrade the quality of the videos and the photography and everything like that. So I hope you guys bear with me and enjoy it as I go on this journey to try and give you guys better quality and better content. So without any further ado, allow me to give you guys a studio tour of how I've set up my home studio in my apartment, and I really hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll be right back. Plants here, which died during the winter because it snowed out of nowhere. It never snows in Texas. But it snowed this time and they just died on me. But I also got this pine tree that they were about to throw away. They were about to throw it in a dumpster, and I saved its life. So, Lucille, you guys. So that was the studio tour, you guys, and what I've been up to since 2021 has started. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you found it interesting, and I appreciate you all for watching. And until next time, I will see you guys when I see you guys. Peace. One love.